Really good. Bye.
All right, guys, today we are making a red curry squash with grilled chicken cubes and a mixed green salad. You're gonna need one red curry squash that you're gonna have to gut and wedge it out, baby. You're gonna layer out your wedges onto a baking sheet. You're gonna add some olive oil, salt, and pepper. Then you're gonna bake them in the oven, preheated at 400 degrees for 35 minutes. All right, guys, then we're gonna use 2 pounds of chicken. This feeds a family of 3, and we're gonna cube those pieces of chicken and place them into a bowl. Grab some fresh rosemary and finally chop it up. All right, and then we're gonna add some coconut aminos, some salt, and some pepper. We're gonna take that rosemary, we're gonna add it to the chicken. Oh yeah, and don't forget about the garlic. Make sure you finely mince up the garlic, add that to the bowl, get a spoon, stir it up thoroughly, and get ready for the grill. Go ahead and add 1 tablespoon of avocado oil to the grill. Make sure the grill's on high heat. Then you're gonna take your chicken and place it on the grill and spread it evenly. And let that chicken cook for 7 to 8 minutes. And after 35 minutes, let's go ahead and take out the red curry squash out of the oven. Let's get ready to prep this meal, baby. And here we have a mixed green salad with a homemade vinaigrette dressing of your choice. Go ahead and toss that salad and let's get ready to prep the dish. And there you have it, guys. A well-balanced macro meal that took about 45 minutes to complete. All right, have a good day. See you guys. Bye-bye.